Hello, good day everybody. Today I want to make some nail art for New Year's Eve. This is nail art. Now I would like to take the pink color and the gel polish I use from Nailover Nail, and the stamping I use from Moira for the flower. Yeah, I think so. And the stamping gel I use also from Moira, and very easy to use. And now I use the poly on top the Moira gel stamping. Now I will cover with the base coat from Nailover, because the poly can stay good when on top the base coat, when you cover with base coat, I mean. And now I put in again some gel. You can fill in where is the flower, and you can spray on top to cover all, and back again to the lamp. And now I cover with the top coat. I use the top coat from Nailover, and put it back to the lamp. And now I put in again new stample, other design. Very easy, right? It's not so difficult, because this the old one, the stample, what we know it is something I don't want to put in the brand name. Let's say just normal classic nail polish, dry in the air. But then I find out not so good. But this one, when you cover to the nail with this newer system from Moira, can stay long, and you can make great. Need to dry, but after you're happy, you can put into the lamp. Okay, something like that. I'm happy with new system. Before we always use for nail polish, but that is old style. I mean. Now we come back to the fingers. We can put in some rhinestone from Swarovski. Yes. When you want to the rhinestone stay good, you can put in any base coat, then can much longer run month. Misal I use any rubber base or something like that. It's very handy to use. Okay. Yes, during the lockdown I have a lot of practice to do my nail, to do the nail like this with my practice hand, something like that. So I'm keeping busy, so I'm not boring. I hope everybody enjoy with my nail art tutorial, and please subscribe and see another video from me again. Happy New Year's for everybody, and I hope I see you again in New Year's.